Hi, my name is Nannette Pope, and I had cosmetic eye surgery this year at Ocala Eye. I was seriously having almost accidents backing into things because when I turned around to see, I couldn't see what was behind me because my eyelids were droopy. I came in for my yearly exam. They recommended that I see Dr. Kim, and she took some measurements and she said I needed to have this excess weighty skin taken off my eyelids, and it was a simple procedure. So the day I had my surgery, I walked into the surgery center and was greeted by a really awesome staff and made me feel very comfortable. Then I met the nurse. Then an anesthesiologist came in. She was great. And then Dr. Kim came in and assured me that everything was going to go smoothly, that I would be pleased with the results. And the next thing I remember, it was all done, and I was ready to go home and begin my new life with being able to see. I was so thankful to Dr. Kim because it was awesome. I loved what they look like. I sometimes don't even wear makeup because they look so good, they're not droopy, and I can see. I'm so appreciative of Dr. Kim and her staff. To find out more information about this awesome surgery, visit ocalaeye.com.